Good day, Kabayan. This is Joseph Talusan. Welcome back. I'm here to guide you in filling up Futura application form. First of all, check if it's dated October 2020, as this is the latest application form from Zurich. You just have to type over your details, just like the one in the screen. So, first name, if it's Juan and middle name is Fernandez, it falls in the first name, and then last name, De La Cruz. If you're a Mrs., you can type your maiden name on this part, date of birth, country of birth, place of birth, and nationality. If you hold another nationality, just tick yes. If not, just tick no and answer the succeeding questions. Uh, in the countries of tax residency, in UAE, just put NA because we don't have a tax reference number there. Then continue on with your address. Excuse me. Flat 207, the building name, area, city, UAE. PO box number, this is the correspondence address of your company. So just type in the PO box number. If it's Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, or whatever. So just type it here. Mobile number, uh, country of mobile, email address. Are you a politically exposed person? If yes, tick yes. If no, just tick no. What policy basis do you require? If it's a individual or single life, just tick single life. If it's a joint life for both husband and wife, just tick joint life, first death, last death, or both death. Depends on the illustration that your financial advisor gave you. And then who will be the life insured? Policy owner one, just tick policy owner one. If it's joint, tick both. Okay, and then in the illustration, you will see the currency. If it's US dollar, usually it's US dollar, just put tick USD. If it's AED, tick AED. So in this case, it's a USD. So type in the regular amount, which is 150. If it's monthly, quarterly, half yearly, just tick the box. Payment premium term. It will depend on the illustration that was prepared for you. In this case, it's 15 years. So also, based on the illustration, you can type in the life cover, how much is your insurance, and what other benefits are included in your illustration. In this case, we have a waiver of premium, critical illness, also we have family income benefit, and if it's not included, just put NA, not applicable. Okay, usually this part, just keep it blank, but if you want to put in a code, just put BCUSD US dollar blue chip. That's the fund code for the funds that you will be investing in. Just put the allocation of 100%. In payment details, just tick telegraphic transfer. Usually for initial premium, it's done by telegraphic transfer, and put in your bank details, account number and IBAN number. If you're the primary payer, just tick 1 for joint life. If the policy owner is the 2 is the payer, just tick policy owner 2. If not, just tick policy owner 1. The third party payer, usually just keep this blank. And then proceed to number 6, origin of wealth. take in the savings from income, salary, company, and profits. Just type the company name, address, nature of business, job title, how long have you been employed, how long have you been saving, annual income in US dollar, and if you have bonus, just include the bonuses here. So number 7, if it's the primary payer, same as payment details, tick yes. If no, tick no, and then type the bank details here. Okay, do you have more than one account, one bank? If yes, tick yes. If no, just tick no. Okay, so are there any other parties directly involved with this application? If yes, tick yes. If no, just tick no. Earned income. Usually just put in your last year's, this current year's income up to date, and then last year and the previous year. If it's a joint account, put your spouse income here as well. Type it here, here, and here. Don't forget the currency, if it's AED or USD. So just then continue, keep this blank. If it's not applicable, so for the beneficiary nominations, if it's your spouse, type Mrs. And the name, birth date, relationship, and the address. If it's in UAE as well, or if it's back home in the Philippines, just write it down here. And the email address and the percentage. If you have a son or a daughter and you want her to be part of the beneficiary, just put the name, the details, and then make sure that the percentage has a total of 100%. So if it's 50-50, just write 50-50. Okay, and then continue on number 11, health and lifestyle questionnaire. Type the industry that you're in, your occupation. Letter B, what percentage of your occupation involves manual work? I usually just type O if it's just non-manual. But if it's like you lift things up and you do some carrying, just put 5% and then just write down what duties do you do. Okay, so letter C, just tick no if you do some hazardous sports or extreme sport. If yes, tick yes. If no, just tick no. State your earned income the last 12 months. So just put in the current year's income, the total for the 1 year. Confirm the purpose of the application, if it's personal cover or family protection. Also, if you have an existing life critical illness cover, just put it yes, click yes, and then write the name, your name, the insurer, benefit, just fill up the space. And then continue with the health and lifestyle questionnaire. Just tick yes or no. No. Do you travel to these countries? If yes, tick yes. If no, just tick no. Do you smoke? If yes, like if it's yes, type what product. If it's Marlboro, frequency, daily, 6 sticks or 5 sticks. If no, just tick no. Do you drink? If yes, tick yes. If no, tick no. If yes, how much? How many bottles or how many glasses of wine? 5 year, have you used marijuana, cocaine, ecstasy, or drugs? If yes, tick yes. If no, tick no. Number 6, your weight and your height. And number 7, medical questions. In the medical questions, just tick yes or no for this questions regarding your health. If, for example, you have a yes answer, make sure that you remember the number and the letter. So when you go to the next page, you will indicate the tick questions here, and just give us some details of what happened or what test did you do. For example, this one is COVID test, it's company required. So also give the hospital or the clinic that you last visited, date, and the reason for the checkup, family history, if your mother or your father had this diseases before the age of 60, just indicate here. And then continue, keep this blank. Malapit na. Okay, so in country which is signed, just tick write UAE, and then if you have a digital signature, attach it here, print your name and date when you signed it, and that's it. So just this space. If it's a joint life, let your spouse sign the other side. Okay. So if you're paying through credit card, just put on the details of the credit card and sign digital signature as well, the date. Also, this policy, while it's being processed, meron na pong covered to, no? So temporarily, you are covered with the amount of $250,000, ano? While Zurich is processing your request. So, but on the date gets effective, balik na siya dun sa original amount. So, if you have any questions, just talk to your financial advisor or message me so I can help you out. All right, so thank you very much, and have a good night, have a good day, wherever you are. God bless. Stay safe.